Rapalapatel, 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 super rakish parapatel. I'm cutting gains with super rakish parapatel. Rapalapatel, parapatel, parapatel. Guys, welcome to my channel, Rakesh Rapalapatel. So today we're going to learn how to use Wikipedia. So sometimes you want to know stuff, but you don't know about it, and this is so hard to remember everything, and this is so difficult to know everything about everything. But hopefully there is something called Wikipedia. We're going to learn how to use it. With the mat, we're going to use the mat. You have to go to the bottom of the bar, and we're going to click on Safari. Click it. And then we're going to click on Wikipedia. So Wikipedia, it's the W icon in white. So it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this is this one. It's Wikipedia. Oh, click it. And then they're going to ask you which language do you want to click it. So you can put it in Chinese stuff. You can put it in English, in Spanish, we're going to put it in Spanish. Oh, sorry, English. And then, so you got the logo. So this is the Wikipedia logo, and you can see you have so many different letters from so many different alphabet. But I don't see alphabet from, see, maybe, see? Okay, so now we got news. We got on this day, we got, did you know? We got from today's video article. And this is the search bar. We're going to search. We're going to search Patel, and this is when you search, you press enter, and that's it. So this is the article Patel. It's an Indian surname from my country, and you have a lot of so many useful information. And if you want to learn more about something, you can click it. For example, Patel is an Indian surname. You can click on Indian, click it, and you have Indian names. And so many names. Rapalapatel, Patel, Ganesh, Rakesh, so many names. This is so cool. So, okay. But you got also so many different stuff. For example, you got Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump, the President of the United States, is so famous. He's so rich. Oh my God, I love that guy. So that's it. So now, you can know how to use and master all the tricks about Wikipedia. You call yourself a Wikipedia expert, and if you followed my channel until the end, you actually successfully passed the Rakesh Rapalapatel certification of Wikipedia. Congratulations! You can claim it on LinkedIn, and you will have so many new job opportunities. Stay tuned to my channel, Rakesh Rapalapatel, and subscribe. Thank you. Rapalapatel, super rakish parapatel. I'm cutting gains with super rakish parapatel. Rapalapatel, parapatel.